Now on number 61 is another arithmetic sequence question. It asks us to write the formula for the general term of the arithmetic sequence and then find A20, the 20th term. And it gives us a list of some of the terms in the sequence: 4, 12, 20, 28, 36, and so forth. So the question here is, since this is an arithmetic sequence, what's going on to go from 4 to 12? And then what's going on to go from 12 to 20? And then what's going on to go from 20 to 28? And so on. To go from 4 to 12, you add 8. To go from 12 to 20, you also add 8, and so on. Each number is just adding 8 to the last number. So this is our arithmetic sequence. We need for the formula for the arithmetic sequence goes AN equals A1 plus D n minus 1. So our A1 again is the first term. So what is the first term in the sequence? The first term is the starting number at 4. So A1 is 4. D is what we add each time to each number in the sequence. So since we're adding 8 to go to the next number, this would be D. D is equal to 8. So I'll put these numbers into the formula. We'll get AN equals 4 plus 8 times n minus 1. I'll go ahead and simplify by distributing 8 to get 4 plus 8n minus 8. And then finally 8n minus 4. This would be the formula for any term or the nth term. Now we'd like to find the 20th term. So if you looked at the last example that we did, what did we use? So we got this number 20 for the 20th term. Where is the 20 going to go into our formula? Indeed, this 20 is the number of the term. The number of the term is n. So in this case, we're dealing with the 20th term. So n would be 20. So we're going to put 20 into our formula to find A20, which is the 20th term. So that'll be 8 times 20 minus 4. So the 20th term would be 160 minus 4. And so the 20th term would be 156. Okay, and so that's what it asks us to do. Find the nth term formula, which we did by plugging in the number for A1 and D. And then we found the 20th term by putting 20 in for the letter N and then calculating for the 20th term.